In today's video I will show you how to add Google Maps, Google Satellite Imagery as base map in Esri ArcMap. There is unique thing about this video is that it provides base maps which are in English contrary to other available Chinese version on YouTube. So, let us start by downloading the portable base map server software, whose link is given in the description below. After downloading PBS software, extract the .zip file. Now open the unzipped folder. You need to search portable base map server.x file in the folder and run it as administrator. You can see a list. You can see a list of available base maps in data source type drop-down menu. The available base maps include the ArcGIS image service, the OGC WMS service, the Bing Maps Road, and Imagery, the Google Maps, the Google Imagery, the Google Road, the OpenStreetMap, the Google Hybrid and many others available. Let's add Google Hybrid for now. Click on the tab Start New Service. You will receive a warning message. The data source is for test purpose. Do not use this for commercial purpose. Click OK. Now copy the OGC WMTS URL to clipboard. Open ArcMap. Then open Arc Catalog and double-click WMTS service. A dialog will open. Now paste the copied URL here. Click the Get Layer button. Click the OK button. Now connect with the newly added layer by right-clicking on it. Drag the layer in ArcMap. Now you can see Google Hybrid is available in ArcMap. You may add your own data to the ArcMap to check proper overlay. Now add Google Road base map in ArcMap as per previous step. Let's explore the Google Maps by zooming it. Let's zoom to Dubai, UAE. You can see expanding information with every zoom. I have added airport's shape file in the data. Let me zoom it to the New Delhi Gandhi Airport. You can switch between imagery and map. Now let me add road shape file of Pakistan. Zoom into map where you can see road network clearly overlays the map data. I request to please subscribe my channel so you may get updates on my latest videos regularly.